If you've been thinking about going to Thailand, then we're sure that you considered heading to the East Coast and to the small city of Pattaya. This is a city that is well known for its nightlife and other industries attached to that. During the day, it is a sunbather's paradise, and at night, it turns into a club city laden with tons of bright neon signs. In fact, it's the nightlife that many people visit Pattaya for. It becomes a perfect destination for those that love a good party as the sun sets. With its lively environment, you will be swept away into a world you would never believe. In order to help you though, we thought we'd share with you some of the things that we saw while we were visiting Pattaya with 10 of the must-have nightlife experiences of this small and unique Thai city. Hilton Horizon Rooftop Bar. We thought we'd start off with one of the more laid-back nightlife experiences. If you're someone who's not really into mass amounts of humanity and loud music like you'll find in a couple of the other activities we discussed further down this list, then the rooftop bar may be a perfect choice for you. One of the best is the Hilton Horizon Rooftop Bar. Situated on the 34th floor of the hotel, it is far away from the loud noises and crazy parties of Walking Street. You can relax on a sofa and have yourself a nice drink while seeing a breathtaking sunset. The hotel itself offers happy hour between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. if you're looking for a more budget-friendly tab. Go-go bars. With Pattaya being almost like a Thai Las Vegas, it's not surprising that they have their own version of what most of us would consider a strip club. Go-go bars are one of the biggest clubs and destination points in Pattaya. You can watch girls dance around, and you can buy them a drink if you want to sit and talk with them. The girls, though, aren't only inside, they're outside as well, trying to beckon you into these establishments. There are two that are very popular, the Airport Club and What's Up a Go-Go Bar. They are all located on one of the other destinations we'll discuss later in the Pattaya Walking Street, Alangkarn Performance. If you're a traveler that prefers a more cultural experience, then one of the best things to enjoy during your excursion into the nightlife of Pattaya is Alangkarn. This is a performance that lasts about 2 hours and it's everything from theater to dance to music as well as acrobatics. The overall concept behind this amazing and unique theater production is to impart Thai history and the culture that has come from it. Utilizing state-of-the-art equipment and detailed stage setups along with traditional costumes, the performers give you a unique experience. These shows typically cost between 600 and 1,000 baht and are put on most nights between 6 and 8 p.m. So, if you're looking for a very low-key but entertaining evening, you might take a trip to the largest cultural theater and see one of these amazing shows. Walking Street. When it comes to the exciting nightlife and bar scene of Pattaya, you can't miss out on Walking Street. This street measures in at about 1 kilometer and is always jam-packed with tons of tourists and locals enjoying the nightlife. From 6 p.m. all the way to the early hours of the morning, this street is filled with excitement and loud music. The street itself is home to some of Thailand's best bars and clubs and is lit brightly by neon sign after neon sign. So, whether you're looking for a dance club like Club Insomnia or a simple place to grab a beer like Hot Tuna Bar, or just want to experience the crazy fun and invigorating atmosphere, Walking Street is definitely something to behold. Many of the city's go-go bars are here, and it is a great place to meet a girl. Night Market. For those that are more into shopping and experiencing local color via this activity, you have to check out 3% Night Market. This is maybe not quite as hectic as Walking Street, but still always packed full of interested travelers looking to experience these colorful stalls, all lined up that sell everything from electronics to one-of-a-kind and very bizarre items. Mixed in between these colorful stalls are places to grab drinks and hear live music as well as see wonderful street performances and have some authentic Thai street food. After all, if you're going to Thailand, who wouldn't want to experience some of that amazing Thai street food? If you're into any of that, this is a must-see and a great way to spend a night in Pattaya. The night market itself is open Friday to Sunday from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. So if you find yourself in Pattaya for a weekend, we definitely suggest at least spending one night in this amazing night market. Thai kickboxing. When you think of Thailand, you might think of Thai kickboxing. It is a sport that is world famous, and if you're in Pattaya, taking a night out to catch one of these very extreme matches is definitely a must-do. If you are there on the right night, you can even see some of the more professional matches. But even if you aren't, the amateur matches are just as enjoyable. In fact, if you are in the right location, they may even let you participate in a match if you are up for a challenge. That is, of course, if you pre-register. A Thai kickboxing match usually costs anywhere from 500 to 1,500 baht, and typically, you can find them being held anywhere from 6 p.m. in the evening all the way to midnight. If you're into more extreme nighttime activities and you don't mind a little violence, you might want to grab yourself a ticket and check out one of these amazing matches. It'll be something you'll talk about with your friends and family back home for the rest of your life. Neon Bars of Beach Road Soi 7. For those that don't want to be surrounded by only tourists and want a more local feel, then you may want to go to the Neon Bars of Beach Road Soi 7. This is also a great option for those that want a quieter experience similar to Walking Street but are visiting a city on a tighter budget. The bars and clubs in this area tend to be gentle on the wallet. That's why you'll find that many budget travelers and backpackers visit here instead of Walking Street. You could even find beer as low as 65 baht or $1.70 US, while still getting an authentic nightlife experience from one of the most traveled Thai destinations. Cabaret Show. If you ever talk to someone who has visited Pattaya and you tell them that you are going, the first thing they may ask is if you're going to check out the Cabaret Show. When they ask this, they're talking about the Alcazar Cabaret Show. This is a show that is chock full of amazing costumes and high-energy performances, all done by ladyboys. The theater itself holds up to 1,200 people and is outfitted with high-quality facilities that will help your experience be that much better. The show itself costs about 500 to 600 baht, and there are 4 showings at night. Jomtien Beach. If you want a little more subdued nightlife experience, you can always head over to Jomtien Beach. This beach has a small handful of bars and restaurants offering a more chilled-out environment that is great for not only travelers but also families. It is what many think of when they think of Thailand, and you can sit there and enjoy the night breeze and take in the wonderful scenery and enjoy good food and drinks, all while still experiencing the Pattaya nightlife without the massive amounts of crowds. Hard Rock. The Hard Rock Cafe is a franchise that is globally known by many but has a heightened level of popularity in this Thai city, not only because the exterior is so grandiose with its giant guitar, but also because it has outfitted with tons of wonderful lighting and an amazing sound system. The cafe and always is a piece where you can find a good party. This includes a Saturday night Fomex party. On top of that, the cafe itself has an area where there is a full barbecue, live music from a multitude of different genres. This may well be one of the most popular destinations when it comes to tourists visiting Pattaya. In regards to the Fomex party, you're going to look at paying between 400 and 500 baht, but that includes one drink. The cafe is open from noon to 1 a.m. There are a lot of great cities that many travelers set on their destination list when they begin their journey through Thailand. But you can't suggest Pattaya enough, especially if you're into the nightlife. The good thing about this amazing Thai city is that it offers all kinds of different experiences day or night. You can enjoy everything from a stroll through a market, to a beachside chill session, to a more hectic and lit atmosphere of Walking Street. Any of the 10 experiences above would be well worth the trip to the city and leave you with amazing memories.